Hey, Mia. Seen any good movies lately?
Hey, Alex. Yeah, I watched Parasite last weekend. It was mind-blowing. Have you seen it?
Oh, absolutely. That movie is incredible. The twists and turns were just amazing. What did you think of the ending?
It was so intense and unexpected. It left me thinking for days. What about you? What have you been watching?
I recently binged Stranger Things. I love the mix of 80s nostalgia and supernatural elements. Have you watched it?
Yes, I have. It's one of my favorites. The kids are such great actors, and the storyline keeps you hooked. Who's your favorite character?
Definitely 11. Her journey is so fascinating. What about you?
I'd say Dustin. He's hilarious and always brings some comic relief. Speaking of comic relief, have you seen Brooklyn Nine-Nine?
Oh, I love Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Jake and his antics always make me laugh. Do you have a favorite episode?
I love the Halloween heist episodes. They're so cleverly written and always full of surprises. What about you?
The Thanksgiving episodes are my favorite. They're always chaotic and funny. Here's a joke for you. Why did the Scarecrow become a successful actor?
Haha, I don't know. Why?
Because he was outstanding in his field.
Good one, Alex. Do you prefer movies or TV shows?
That's a tough one. I think I lean more towards TV shows because you get to spend more time with the characters. How about you?
Same here. I love getting invested in long story arcs and character development. Plus, there are so many good shows out there. What's the best series you've ever watched?
For me, it's Breaking Bad. The transformation of Walter White is just incredible. How about you?
Game of Thrones, even with that controversial ending. The journey was unforgettable. Do you have a favorite genre?
I'm a big fan of sci-fi. Shows like The Expanse and Black Mirror really make you think. What's your favorite genre?
I love dramas. Shows like The Crown and This Is Us always pull me in. They're so emotionally engaging.
Those are great picks. Have you ever watched a series in one sitting?
Guilty. I watched the entire first season of Stranger Things in one day. It was so addictive. Have you done that?
Yep, I did the same with The Mandalorian. Couldn't stop once I started. Speaking of The Mandalorian, are you a Star Wars fan?
Definitely. I love the whole universe. The Mandalorian is such a great addition to the franchise. Who's your favorite character in the Star Wars universe?
Han Solo. He's just so cool and charismatic. What about you?
Princess Leia. She's strong, smart, and a great leader. Have you watched any good documentaries lately?
Yes, I watched The Social Dilemma. It was eye-opening about the impact of social media. Have you seen it?
Yes, it was really insightful. It made me rethink how I use my phone. Do you have a favorite documentary?
Planet Earth. The cinematography and the way it captures the beauty of our planet are just stunning. What about you?
I love 13th by Ava DuVernay. It's powerful and thought-provoking. Do you prefer watching movies at home or in the theater?
I love the theater experience, but there's something cozy about watching movies at home. How about you?
Same here. The theater is great for big blockbusters, but home is perfect for a movie marathon. Do you have a go-to comfort movie?
The Princess Bride. It's such a classic and always cheers me up. What's yours?
The Devil Wears Prada. I can watch it over and over again. The fashion and the storyline are just so much fun.
That's a great choice. Have you ever watched a foreign film that you loved?
Yes, Amelie is one of my favorites. It's so whimsical and charming. Have you?
Pan's Labyrinth is one of my all-time favorites. It's beautifully dark and imaginative.
That's a fantastic film. Do you think subtitles take away from the experience of watching foreign films?
Not at all. If anything, they add to the experience by keeping the original language and emotions intact. What do you think?
I agree. Subtitles are a small price to pay for experiencing different cultures through cinema. Do you have a favorite director?
Christopher Nolan. His films are always mind-bending and visually stunning. How about you?
I'd say Greta Gerwig. I love her storytelling style and how she portrays characters. Do you ever rewatch TV shows or movies?
All the time. Some shows and movies are just timeless. What's one show or movie you can watch over and over again?
Friends. No matter how many times I watch it, it always makes me laugh. How about you?
The Office. It's my go-to for a good laugh. Here's another joke for you. Why don't movie theaters serve popcorn in math class?
Haha, I have no idea. Why?
Because you can't solve any problems with a kernel.
That's a good one, Alex. So, what's next on your watch list?
I'm planning to start The Queen's Gambit. I've heard great things about it. What about you?
I'm thinking of watching Ted Lasso. Everyone says it's such a feel-good show.
I've heard that too. Can't wait to hear what you think. Happy watching, Mia.
Happy watching, Alex. Talk soon.